Hello. This video will demonstrate the data communication method used to remotely access the internal controller of your IRmadillo. Firstly, let's review some safety. The weight of the instrument is approximately 18.5 kilograms, so be careful, it's heavy. Avoid grabbing or twisting the probe to move the instrument. Instead, use the lip of the body. Avoid impacting the probe tip. Never unplug the power cable from the IRmadillo when the power source is on. Instead, turn the power off first, and then you can unplug it. See the IRmadillo user manual at www.kite.co.uk/user-manual when working with your IRmadillo.
Before starting, make sure that the spectrometer is powered on. It may be the case that the spectrometer has been powered on for some time, and if this is true, then the top of the spectrometer should feel slightly warm to the touch. However, the best way to determine the spectrometer is powered on is to check the power source. Next, make sure that the unit is connected to your local network via one of the two Ethernet ports located on the rear of the spectrometer. This is the side opposite the probe. Either connector can be used for accessing a local network. They are female connectors, and they require a male Ethernet connector and to be connected as such.
Now, to initiate a remote desktop connection, please navigate to the Remote Desktop Connection application on your local computer and open it. We recommend using a Windows-based machine to do this. The application can be found by entering Remote Desktop Connection in the Windows search bar located here. Once open, the window should look like this. It will prompt you for your computer name. This can be found in your document pack. It should look like this. Please enter it. After you've done that, click the downward facing arrow next to the Show Options tab in the bottom left of the window. A new field will open up called Username. Enter Spectrometer User, taking care to make sure that the S and the U are capitalized and that there is a space between both words. Click Connect. It will now prompt you for your password. Again, this can be found in your document pack. Enter it. Press OK. You will likely be met with an authentication warning, but don't worry, this is expected. Click Yes and carry on. Now you should be logged in to your internal controller. For additional support, please contact support@kite.co.uk with any queries you have. Thank you.